Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Respected ustads, honorable scholars and the galaxy of intellectuals before me, I'm very pleased to stand in front of you on this auspicious occasion to share a solution for the survival of the Indian economy. So, before finding the solution for the servant of the Indian economy, we must ponder how did the Indian economy survive till date? How did the Indian economy survive till now? You know, the Indian economy survived upon the taxes given by the people by the import and export, and by the tertiary sector, that is farming, that is 180 sector, the tourism sector, the transport, the startups and manufacturing industries. You know, the tertiary sector of India is the most disruptive, which provides the most GDP for the country and the main source of income for India. But recently, the Indian central government had brought new initiatives, new steps to bring economic development in India, and both of them are demonetization and GST. You know, the demonetization was brought into effect to control the corruption and the failed currency notes. Then we are starting a project, we are executing a project, and we are allotting funds for the product. There are a lot of mismanagement. For example, when a government is executing a plan, when the plan is being allotted, if there is any mismanagement or any mismanagement is allowing fund various sins of rupees of crores, acres, and this is a huge loss for Indian economy, and this will decrease the GDP. Dears, you know, the other countries, when there is any problem at hand, they bring a community that brings committee for this problem, and this committee works and researches of basis of the problem and brings the solutions of required for the problem. And this is a high nine to bring a community like that. So that at all we shall bring a community that works solely and person researches solely for the purpose of the development of India and provide everything. It must be a very rigid community without no secrecy, without no information leakage. Yes, by saying this I conclude here. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.